Hubei Wenzhou Tang Health Pharmaceutical Group Company Limited is a dietary supplement enterprise with strong independent R&D capabilities and large-scale production capacity. We focus on providing production solutions for global customers, ranging from natural raw materials, tea, coffee, to various terminal dosage forms, powder, tablets, hard capsules, soft candies. Our factory has multiple complete production lines for multiple dosage forms, strictly following international food safety management systems such as cGMP, HACCP, ISO 22000, HALAL, and FSSC 22000. Equipped with a professional R&D team which can develop formulas, optimize processes, and innovate new dosage forms according to customer needs. Also continuously increase the proportion of R&D investment to ensure the continuous upgrading of products and meet the precise nutritional needs of different consumer groups. Have flexible production lines that can efficiently handle small and medium batch orders and customized orders. Equipped with a professional QC laboratory for strict raw material inspection, online process control, and fulleton testing of finished products. Implants HACCP key control points, and the online monitoring coverage rate of quality control is 100%, ensuring that each batch of products meets specifications and regulations. We are not only a supplier, but also a strategic partner for the implementation of your products, providing full process services from formula development, packaging design support, prototype to batch production. There are no middleman price differences, and the cost is more competitive. Choosing us means choosing efficiency, quality, and peace of mind.